Welcome. In front of me is a REALME GT2, and today I'll show you how we can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notifications straight from the top, swipe down once more to extend the list of toggles, and on one of the pages we should hopefully find our screen recording toggle, and for me it is right over here. Once you see this toggle, you can press on it to start recording, or you can hold it and this will take you to the settings where you can just kind of get a glance of the default settings of the screen recording. So right here we have definition, which is medium. I probably recommend changing it to high. And also frame rate, we can select it to be either 60 or 30. At least those are the two ones that I recommend. I don't recommend going to 24 and below. These are just like, number one, odd refresh rates, and number two, they are pretty low. So any kind of moving content on the screen will look just bad. Now, personally, I'm gonna stick with 60 because I like the super, fluid looking motion. But I'll warn you, if you're planning to use either one of these refresh rates, do be mindful of doubling the frame rate also doubles the amount of storage you will need for the recording. So as an example, if a minute of a screen recording at 30 frames takes 1 gig, doubling that would basically take, or doubling the frame rate would take now 2 gigs. For the same length, you will need to have twice as much storage. So keep that in mind. But for me, I don't really mind it, so that's what I'm going to stick with. And from there, once you selected it, you can then go back to the toggle and here, tap on it. Now, if it asks to allow access to a couple different things, I guess we have to allow it. Now, when it comes down to things like messages, calls, it's kind of generalizing it. In reality, it asks us for access to microphone. Now here, we're just gonna click on the red circle. And as you can see, it's now recording. So whatever you do right now will be obviously recorded by the device. And once you're done recording, you can simply drag to this overlay, click on the checkbox right here, and this will get saved. Now, once it's saved, you can find it in your Photos application or gallery, whatever the name of it is here, and it will be visible as, well, the newest thing today, but hopefully you can later on find it under albums, and we have screenshots. So it gets saved under album called screenshots for some reason, but it's still nice that it puts it in something like it. And there you go. As you can see, it's already playing back. So now I will mention one more thing for the curious people. If you're thinking about recording, for instance, Netflix as an example, I can already tell you that this won't work. Screen recorders or, well, applications have access to like some kind of system data, and they will just straight up block the screen recorder from being able to see the screen. So even if you try to, all you will get is a black screen, which obviously for a screen recorder, getting a black screen when you're trying to record things like Netflix, it doesn't really give you the thing that you're looking for. You will still have sound, but no image, which defeats the purpose. And Netflix isn't the only application. Obviously, any kind of streaming application will be blocking it, but also bank apps will also be blocking it. So anyway, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.